Good morning, everyone. Mega love channel to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please one, subscribe, two, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. Alright. Our lesson for today is how to translate a verbal phrase into a mathematical phrase and vice versa. This is for quarter 2, week 3, and again, this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing by Walt Disney. Okay, so let us start now. Translation of verbal phrase to mathematical expressions and vice versa. Verbal phrases are merely groups of words that do not express a complete thought. It can be translated into mathematical phrases or vice versa. To translate verbal phrases into mathematical phrases, the following symbols of operations are related or used. So we have the common symbols in translating verbal phrase to mathematical phrase. Okay, so we have here plus. Okay, the meaning is a plus, more, increased by, the sum of, the total of, added to. And then we have this, which is negative. It means minus, less or less than. Okay, so we have here x and the open and closed parenthesis. The meaning is times the product of multiplied by. And we have the slash and the division sign. That means it divided by, over, the quotient of, or the ratio of. Okay, the following examples will illustrate how to translate verbal phrase into mathematical phrase. Okay, so we have the verbal phrase here and the mathematical phrase. The sum of 8 and 12. So we have 8 plus 12. Okay, the product of 10 and 8 diminished by 6. So we have here the product 10 times 8 minus 8, minus 6. That's because of the word diminish. It's minus. The sum of b and 5. So that means b plus 5. The product of 6 and x. That means 6x. And the sum of m and n divided by 4. So we have m plus n over 4. Okay. So we have another examples. Number 6, 4 times the sum x and y. So we have 4, and then we have the quantity of x plus y. Okay, naka-close in our parenthesis yung x and y. And then 3 added to x, of course, 3 plus x. X increased by 7, so x plus 7. And x diminished by y, that means x minus y. A more than b, that means a plus b. Okay, let's translate each of the following into a mathematical phrase. Okay, so how are you going to do that? Y less than 3 times x. So that means y minus 3x. Okay. Number 2, 10 more than twice y. Okay, so 10, from the word more than, that means plus 2y. Okay, And then the product of 2 and x. Okay, so we have 2x. Okay. And then the sum of x and 2 times y. So the sum, okay, the sum of x and 2 times y. Okay. So we can use here this one, and then get the sum of x and 2. So we have x plus 2. Yan. Okay. So times y. Thrice y plus x minus 2z. Okay. So that means 3y plus x minus 2z. And okay. Number 6, the quotient of x and y. Okay, since the quotient, that means x over y, or no, or x divided by y. Alright, the quotient of m and n. Okay, the same, no? The same. So we have m divided by n, or m over n. Okay? Next, the difference of a and b. Okay, so we have here a minus b. 5 less than x. Okay, so we have 5 minus x. And then 8 increased by x. So you have 8 plus x. Okay? Okay, so let us translate its mathematical praise into a verbal praise. Okay, so we have here 1/2 x plus 1. Okay, so that means 1 added to 1/2 of a number x. Okay. Then we have 5x minus 4. That means 4 subtracted from the product of 5 and the number x. We have 3 times quantity x plus 6. That means thrice the sum of a number x and 6. Okay. Then we have x squared minus 1. That means 1 subtracted from the square of a number x. And e, we have 7 plus x over 2. The sum of 7 and the quotient when a number x is divided by 2. Okay. Now, let us try to translate. Translate each of the following into a verbal phrase. Okay. So this one is 4 plus 3x. We can say that 4 is added to the product to the product of 3 and x. Okay, next we have 3x minus 4, or thrice, thrice the number x. Diminish, okay, diminish by 4. Okay, Next we have two or twice the sum of a number x and 3. Okay, next we have 4 is subtracted from, so we can say that 4 is subtracted from the product of 1/2 x, or we can say no 1/2 of x is diminished by 4, or 1/2 of x is subtracted by 4. So here, so we have we can say that x, or I'll write it down, or I'll just say it. So x minus 3 divided by 4, or the quotient of this, or the difference between a number x and 3 divided by 7, and 7, no. So it depends on how you're going to interpret this in words. Okay, that's it. For questions and clarifications, just write it in the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And before I go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Mega love shout out to everyone, my friends, my love, and all my members. When a vlog, Marife Adonis official, El Sayote, Mrs. Roy channel, and everyone out there. Thank you so much for always supporting my channel.